Recording button. Double tap to activate. Talk back off.
I'm gonna have to stand up because it's cutting you off. Okay. He's uncapping. And I'm trying to get his head in here. Trying not to cut off your head.
Yeah, I know, I hear you.
Yeah. I have to step back a little further past my chair. There it is. He's uncapping now. Boy, those things were really sealed on there, wasn't it?
Yeah, they are. If they're not like that, then guess what? Then they're not right.
Right.
They're not ready to harvest, not ready to pick.
And that's like a hot knife, right?
Yeah, that's a hot knife. Yeah, it's an electric knife.
I definitely smell the wax that you just opened. Shoo!
Also had a little water in it from washing it, so it had to get all that out of it too.
Right.
Of course, that water doesn't go into the honey.
No.
That's a nice pull frame, both sides.
Yeah. And that's why we need the extractor, folks.
Mm-hmm.
It's because all that wax gets intermixed.
Yep. This is an early crop this year. Normally you don't get it until mid-June and sometimes even into July.
Right.
This is the all spring honey here.
Yeah, this is rare, guys. And then those of you that listen to this video, it's a God thing. This is what he does for people if he needs to. And it's going into the
Got 2 more frames to go
vat. Okay.
before I actually spin it.
Okay. Now this isn't that fancy thing probably that you've seen people do. This is the earlier versions of it. It still has electronics, but it's not as...
And what I'm doing, I'm taking the wax off of the honey itself so the honey will come out. It's like a capping process what the bees do.
Yep. I'm trying to do the best I can to get that. Yeah, it's getting it. Okay. I'm learning video techniques here.
You do a good job. Put one more there. Set up.
It wants to do its own thing, just like our phone does. I'm gonna scoot it down, let them see the whole extractor, and then I'll get it back up where your head is in a minute. Okay. Had to let them have a good view of it. And then, of course, he's got the bucket kind of covered. But there's a little bucket down at the bottom.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it in there.
Plug this while I spin that.
Okay.
Like my knife doesn't overheat.
Right down there. See that little white thing with the lid on it? That's where the honey goes. Okay.
Gotta have them set seated down in there just right.
Yep.
Okay, they're all ready. Then I like this.
It's gonna get noisy, guys.
Nope. Really.
Well, it is a little bit. Oh, not as
Well, I
much.
guess it will. That's besides she wants to squeal this time.
Say, I haven't been used in a while. Give me a break.
I do it from one side, one way, then I take it around and do it the other way too. Try to get all that out on that side.
So you do both sides. That's neat.
Okay. Then I gotta come in here, and that is all out of that side, so I turn it around to get the other side.
Okay. See how he's doing that.
Like that.
Yeah.
And down below down there, I've seen honey coming out already.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it
That's
close
going in-
now.
That's going into the strainer, which then goes into the bucket.
Yep, the strainer's right on top and the bucket's underneath. That little white thing you see down
I
there.
use a double strainer. One's a coarse one, and the other one's a real fine one on the bottom.
Yep. I got it focused down so they can actually see it. The bucket.
And once I get these turned that way, then I can go ahead and go this way.
Now he's gonna look at him turn it. Ooh, look at that.
And as I'm turning it, it gets lighter and lighter as far as in the spinner side here. Because all the honey is going out and going down where it's supposed to go.
Yeah. See his hand to spinning there.
All right. Got those done. So I'll take these out and I'll put them back in the box over here.
Back in the container.
That I took them out of.
Uh-huh, back in the tub. That's the uncapping tub.
Into the super, actually.
Oh, back into the super. Got it.
Lift that one up. All righty.
See, he's putting it back in the boxes.
Now, put this back in. Like that. Here we go again for some more frames. That's the way it's done.
There you go, guys. You got to see uncapping process. You got to see the extractor process. Enjoy.